I chose Cascadia Tech in the criminal justice program to join the mock trial team to learn about the ins and outs of law enforcement in general.
I had general interest in it. I thought it would be really beneficial just to jumpstart my career.
My skills and everything relating to law enforcement have deeply risen. I've gained a lot of references to people that I can use in my life as a professional.
I get college credits through this program, and I also learn about something that really interests me. I have made new friends.
You go through the ins and outs of the entire trial process. You go through pre-trial, opening statements, closing statements, basically setting you up to go into a trial.
We do physical workouts, we do a lot of presentations and public speaking, but everything you do, you have a team, you have a community supporting you.
My plans after I complete the criminal justice program are to go to law school to get my Juris Doctor to practice law as a criminal defense attorney.
I plan on attending college to get a criminal justice or criminology degree, and then after that, police academy.